Hey, welcome to the live stream. Okay, so you are the first, and do you win anything? Okay, if you are the first, then yeah, I can give you something for free. What do you need? Tell me. Just give me a second. I would just notify everyone that we are going live. How will gold react to NFP? Okay, so today is not NFP, today is the CPI. Let me just go on a Forex factory to show you. 3 months for of PIP 100. Okay, you need 3 months of PIP 100, right? You mean the new strategy that is gonna release? Yeah, today is the CPI, it's not NFP. Okay, consumer price index. Yeah, you really need that. Okay, got it. We will see, right? As you are the first, yeah, we can give you something, but I need to check with the admins, right? Before that, just leave me texting. Already, I have your name, so we will see if we can give you something for free a month. I will try it out. Okay. Okay. So the next question is from: are we going to look at GBP JPY? Yeah, we'll do the full analysis right now here. Okay. So first of all, it's a December. I don't trade in the December, but as people really wanted to go live, so we are here right now. Okay, we'll take 1 to 2 trades today. That's all. So first we'll start with gold. What do you look at the gold? Okay, if you remember when we had a Zoom with Infinite and everyone, so yeah, at that time I already told you guys that once we hit the 1800 mark, then most likely price will have some consolidation before either going to go up or either it can just continue the downtrend till back and down. But it's all depend if we have a bad employment report and everything. It's depend on the fundamentals. So I won't get into that much because it will be too confusing for me and you too. So we'll just mark out the areas here. First of all, this is the daily resistance there. Okay, we have a, this is the main support there, right? Looking at the month 4 hour time frame, if you watch my analysis video, you will understand like what we are looking for right now. But if you didn't, then just go and watch. It's on the YouTube channel. Just move this to back. So most likely, let's say, according to me, what we will see in the CPI, The price will coming back down till here maybe, and after that it can just go back up. It's all depend on the what we had in the report. You see, looking at the 1 hour time frame here. So what do you see, right? Price was in a downtrend, making a lower high, low, and now it's making a new high. Like this is some small kind of an uptrend, right? So let's see. What you see here is this. This is a flag pattern. If you do follow the patterns, then this is this kind of a flag pattern, right? Taylor knows me from the old Pip Hunter days. I actually had my own triangle strategy with a Pip Hunter that was very high win rate. Oh, that's great. Okay. Well, at that time, I was not in the. I was there, but not as an admin. Okay, so yeah. So currently, the status has changed. So I don't know about you much, but yeah, you will have. So what can happen that price can do consolidation after that we had some breakout and this could we can check, but it's all depend. Okay, I'll just remove this because it doesn't need it. So why we use indicator, right? If you use this kind of a pattern, then yeah, it's for a basic base, it's great. But when we are using this indicator, you can easily see it's just taking the support of that and just driving off back, and now having some consolidation before going either up or down. Okay, looking at the 1 hour time frame, what I would say, like we will mark this zone, just put it style to right, yeah, that's all, and I will mark this zone. We'll definitely mark this as well. But if you hear from the very old time, then welcome back to the group, and we are having so much fun this time. New Year's is gonna start, and yeah, I really hope that we're gonna blow this up. I mean, I'm so excited about it. So currently market is in a consolidation zone. Most likely if you want to scalp, you can do a small trade for like, let's say how much pips, like 30 pips, but I wouldn't take that trade because we have CPI. So yeah, Fish, hi, what's up? Welcome back to the live stream. Yeah, it's looking great. Okay, now we will move to the top. Looking at the GBP USD, looking on a daily time frame, reset. Yeah, we are on. So here's the thing, right? We did break down below this really strong support. It was holding it from like 2017, and now we had broken down that. Now we most likely we can do the retest of this. So if you're looking for a long-term trade, then once we see some kind of a rejection on a weekly and daily time frame, then we should start looking for sell on JBBUSD. But remember, if the technicals and fundamentals are going in the same way, then you should definitely take a sell. But if the fundamentals are for the GBPUSD should go up, then you shouldn't take any sells on GBPUSD. Okay, and always look at the fundamentals. That will help you to analyze the chart as well. So currently looking at this, most likely we're gonna mark this zone. We are on a resistance zone here. Okay, we have a low, and that's this, that. And if you guys have any question, you can let me know in the chat before I complete my this analysis. GBP USD is in a perfect buy trend. Like look at this, it's really great. But after now we are in a consolidation zone. Okay, so let's say we'll mark this zone as well because this is the low, right? Whenever price do make a low, once it break down, then that will be a change in trending change, or whatever you want to say. Okay, looking at the 1 hour time frame, what do we see? Should mark, this is a really perfect thing, but we have a low perfectly below this. So yeah, I will just mark this area before we do anything else. Okay, looking at a 1 hour time frame, we'll mark this because it's holding as a resistance for quite the time. And if we see some kind of a breakout below this zone, that would be good. Then we can take some sells as well, right? And yeah, that would be it for now. Looking at 30-minute time frame, yeah, price in a consolidation zone, so no trade here. This is a really like a garbage. No trade in the GBP right now. Looking at, let me remove this. Okay, looking at GBP JPY. Wow, fabulous. So what we'll do on a GBP JPY, right? Price. Look at the indicator, right? Many blue stars, yeah, many blue stars. So if you like to look at the stars, then that means it's a buy, right? So whenever you see this blue star, that means it's a change in the trend, right? Look at this. Let me go on a smaller time frame, like 30 minutes, so you can understand maybe. Yeah, okay. So look at this. This was the uptrend, but after that we had another blue star. That means it's start of the new uptrend, and yeah, it's still going there. But if you look at the price right now, it's in a consolidation zone. So you, as I said, like, just don't blindly depend on the indicator. Use your brain, look at the market, and then take a trade. So what you see in here, like, it's a garbage. You don't trade this kind of a stuff. But if you do, you get in and get out. So that's all, like 10 to 20 pips. You don't wait to hold a trade, right? Okay, we're back on the analysis. We are on GBP, JPY here, marking out some zones. We'll mark this too. This is the low here we have. Is there any higher time frame candlestick signals? Depend what kind of signals you need. Like, what are you talking about? Where I am from? Guess where I'm from. If you guess it right where I'm from, then I don't know. I don't know what to say. Like, if you guess it right, then yeah. Most probably, I think people know where I'm from. So you can ask it in the Discord so that you know. The type of candles. I still don't understand, like, what type of candles. I don't understand your question. Pour over and daily candles. Okay, so what about pour over and daily candles? Like you are saying, yeah, I am from India. Looking at smaller time frame, like, look at this, right? Okay, GBP JPY was in a consolidation zone. No, I'm from India. I'm not Britain. Okay, and right now you can see this, right? From like last December, right? It was in a consolidation zone, and currently, right now, look at the price. It did broke above, did the retest and backup zone. Now currently it's doing a consolidation zone. So most likely what we can see here, right? Once we broke below this area, we'll just mark that out. Go on a smaller time frame. Yeah, once we break below this area, right? After that, we can start looking for sells, but that would be too risky. The reason is we have too many rejection zones. Price can reject and come back up before going down perfectly. So I would say we can take sells on GBP JPY, but we need to wait, right? We need to wait for some really good confirmation about the trend. So what will be confirmation for me that price do break below, after that it do a really nice retest, then I really love to see a sell. That's all. Looking at a dollar index right now on a 4 hour time frame. Yeah, like currently it's on a 104, most likely what I would say, right? If you look at the, okay, so dollar index, as you know, price was in a really great uptrend. The reason was inflation. Look at this, right? Price was in a uptrend. Currently now, what I would say, most likely we need to do a retest of this zone before going up, right? That I want to see. If you've seen my analysis video, you will know what I'm talking about. That's all. We'll go back on hold, and yeah, we'll just wait here what to do. Just mark this zone out. Hi, mid-brain trading is a really platform. Give me a second, okay? So we have a question like when you get start learning in this. It was a really long time ago. I think it was around 4 years ago. Yeah, 4 to 5. I don't remember. Okay, perfectly. I don't know. Like it's a 4 years, I think. Now we will start a new year. So if you count it like that, most probably 5 years. What is this? Like we are currently at a 7 people are watching. 17, sorry. 17 people are watching and we have only one like on the video. I'm gonna blackmail you guys if you don't hit the like button right now. In next 15 minutes before the CPI, I will end the live session. No, I'm just kidding, okay? Like it's up to you if you want to hit the like button. That's all. I will just stick with the trade we're gonna take. Most likely sales will be way better, but we'll just wait for the CPI. We have 15 minutes left, I guess, around that. Okay, yeah, 16 minutes left. Yep. Okay, sorry. Yeah, I was just checking on something. I really blank out there, right? Right. Yes, I need to. Okay, so I'm back. Yeah. Can you hear me now, everyone? Let me know in the section, comment section, if you can hear me properly. Great. You guys can hear me there. Great. Okay, ask any question if you have. We have currently 11 minutes left till the CPI hit. You have 8 likes. Oh, yeah, I see that now. What's up, Henry? Welcome, welcome. You are late, you know. We started live a long time ago. Can you do a quick recap? Yeah, I can, as you are a really good member here. So, okay, right now, currently, we are looking for CPI. So, CPI is in like 10 minutes, and most probably, we are looking for cells. So, we are like price can go a little bit up before going down, so most likely we are looking for sales on gold, but we will see what it does. So currently most likely I will be looking for sales, so price should be like maybe it can just hit up a little bit and then something like this. But if you're looking at GBP USD, I'm not taking any kind of a trade here because it's two consolidations, but if price do break above, then yeah, you can take a buy till here. That would be like 10, 25 pips. Yeah, it's like a 30 pips. So that's all. Currently, if you're looking on the GBP JPY, prices in a consolidation zone on a 30-minute time frame. If you want to take any kind of a trade, we need to see that price should be breaking either above or below this area. Most likely, I would say price will break below, do a sell till here before going either up or down. But we will wait and see what CPI does to this trades. So we are currently moving towards upside, no problem. Okay, whoever is new to the live stream, you guys, if you want to join our Discord, link will be in the description. If you don't, then don't. That's all. There is an old already a gap on 5 minute on gold. Yeah, it's because the CPI is gonna have a really good volume, I guess. So yeah, that's why that could be let's see. Yeah, I don't have any gaps on 5 minute time frame, but I don't know which broker you are using. So it depends on that. Some broker have do spikes and gaps. Does that have any significance? What do you mean? Okay. If there is a gap. Okay, so if there is a gap, that means price is moving so sudden that broker can't keep a track. It's like a glitch or something if you know the like, but it's not a glitch actually, it's a genuine gap. On my MD4 there was one, but now it's failed. Yeah, that's it said, right? That if some brokers have that kind of a stuff, it depends on what broker you are using. Some brokers are like give a really big gap and hit you up, so depends on. If you don't mind me asking, like which broker are you using? I'm currently on a Onda on TradingView, but personally I use Paperstone. So okay, each capital. I never heard that about that broker, so I don't know. Like, let's see what's. Yeah, I don't heard about this broker, so I don't know. Yeah, I never heard about it, so maybe you can do your own research. You will find a lot of data about your broker online, and you will know if it's good for you or not. Just prioritize your like what you how you trade. If you're a scalper, then you need a really low spread broker. Depends on like what you do, how you trade, and everything. We have currently 6 minutes left. Let's see. Okay, before we go in any further things, if you guys have any really good questions, ask me right now. Other than that, I don't know. Okay, tell me if you any of you have ever joined the course we started just now. Any one of you had with me on Zoom while I was teaching that course and everything? Okay, we have one person. You missed the first course. Okay. Well, it was totally be on market. Understand? Well, we don't record the course, so yeah, you can join it like next month. We will have another round for that. So if you hear with us on the next one, then yeah, you can still join us. You'll find the camp. Someone's really enjoying the emoji of hand here. Okay, we have 4 minutes left, so be prepared with your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, whatever you're using. Click buy, sell, whatever you want to do. If you want to buy, if you want to sell, just don't over risk, okay? Okay, if you're looking on a GBP USD, price is coming back down in the zone. GBP JPY is moving towards breaking the support here, and gold is kindly moving, not bad or not good. Okay, so guys, 2 minutes left, exactly 2 minutes and 30 seconds. If you guys are ready, get your phones ready, and yeah, we will just wait. Most likely, okay, so we'll go on a 15-minute time frame to be more clear about it. Okay, okay, so I'll put my sell stop at 1786. If you want, I can mark this down. Perfect. Okay, I'll put my sell stop 1786, and my buy stop will be above this area, right? So that would be like 51790,500. We have 1 minute left. Okay, I'll be putting my sell stop here. Putting sell stop, my sell stops will be above this area, targeting this zone. We have 1 minute left. So I hope you guys are ready with your phones. Okay, remove your buy stop, like it shouldn't be hit before the session start. Okay, you can put it to like 600 just to be clear and safe. I'll put it at 600. We have, okay, look at that. Buy stop is activated now before NFP started. We'll close partials at this point. And yeah, okay, I'll be closing the whole position here. I have still sell stop there because we just seen this now. I will let this sell stop be here. I just closed this position. It went up. I closed it like a really small profit there. Okay, look at that. Oh boy. You guys are seeing this? Amazing. If anyone did hold the trade, you will be in a profit right now. Did anyone take the buy here? I did take the buy, but I closed it before once it at the time it hit the 1794. Will this put the buy? Get a buy from here, right? Most likely I also have put the stop loss below this. Did anyone take a buy here? Let me know in the chat. So yeah, that's all. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, I will stay here. If you don't, then I'll be going. Can you guys hear me? Well, looks like you don't have any questions, but yeah, this gold trade was amazing. Looking at the GBP JPY, look at this. It was a great trade as well. If you are taking sales on GBP JPY, as I told you guys that it could go down. Looking at GBP USD, whoa, look at this. As I said, if price do break above this area, then we can do take a buy. It's like 100 pips. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the chat. I'll be going if you don't have. I'll give 5 minutes. So if you have any questions, I'll stay. Just say yes or no. You're welcome. Any other questions or something? You guys have 2 minutes left. No questions? Okay, so yeah, thank you for being part of the live. See you in the next live session. Thank you for being part of my trading journey.